Next topic, parallel lines and transversal line. Then first parallel lines. Then you know that if two lines lie in the same plane and do not intersect when produced on either side, that means consider two lines L and M lie on the same plane, and when we extend in both either side, and two sides extend either side that do not intersect, that type of lines are called parallel lines. Then that two lines are lie on same equal distance. The distance between that two lines are always equal. That type of lines are called parallel lines, and that is parallel to each other. Then we can write L parallel M. It is written as L parallel M. Then transversal line. Then a straight line which cuts two or more lines at distinct points. That line is called transversal. Listen, take two lines L and M and a transversal, another line that is cuts into that line at a distinct point, that O and N. Then consider this line as called the transversal. The line R is called the transversal line. Next, some axioms and theorems related to parallel lines and transversal. Then you know that axiom means a well-defined statement. Then consider two parallel lines L and M given that, and take T as the transversal, that T cuts that two lines at distinct points N and O. Then axiom 1 says that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. Then consider two parallel lines L and M and the transversal T that cuts 2 points N and O form 8 angles. That is, first consider this angle as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This as 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then listen, this angle 1 and 5, angle 1, 5 called corresponding angles, and angle 2, angle 6 also called corresponding angles, angle 4, angle 8, angle 3, angle 7 are called corresponding angles. Once again, two parallel lines L and M, and T is the transversal that cuts that two parallel lines at the distinct point N and O form 8 angles. This angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 7 are called corresponding angles. And angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5 are called alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6 are called alternate interior angles. Then go back to the axiom 1. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. അതായത് ഒരു ട്രാൻസ്വേഴ്സൽ ലൈൻ ടു പാരലൽ ലൈൻസിനെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആംഗിൾസ് എപ്പോഴും എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ഇതാണ് ആക്സിയം 1. ദെൻ ദ ആക്സിയം ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആംഗിൾ ആക്സിയം. ദെൻ ആക്സിയം 2, if a transversal intersect two lines, parallel lines എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal. അതായത് corresponding angle 4, angle 8, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, or angle 1 is equal to angle 5, or angle 2 is equal to angle 6 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ two lines എന്തായിരിക്കും? അത് പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കും. അത് കോൺവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് corresponding angle axiom. Theorem 1. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Then given that two parallel lines and a transversal, then we have to prove that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Then first you draw the figure. Consider two parallel lines AB and CD and a transversal L that intersect at 2 points N and O, then forming 8 angles, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. Then it's given that two parallel lines, that is AB parallel CD, two parallel lines, then each pair of we have to prove that, to prove alternate interior angles is equal, then alternate interior angles are angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5. Then we have to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Then proof. Then axiom 1 says that a transversal intersect two parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal. Then you consider that angle 1 is equal to angle 5. That is corresponding angle axiom. Angle axiom. Then angle 1 and angle 5 corresponding angles are equal, that's a axiom 1. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3, that is vertically opposite angle, opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5, that consider equation 1, and angle 1 is equal to angle 3, that is equation number 2. Then in its angle 1 is consider the equation 1 and 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Therefore we can write angle 5 is equal to angle 3. LHS equal, that is also RHS equal, then angle 5 equal to angle 3, that is corresponding angles are equal. Similarly we can prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Thus the proof. Hope you understood. Thank you.